What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is we are doing a little POV review of the brand new 2J Racing quad tip exhaust I just put on my car yesterday. There's the box right over there to prove it. And the old Catback. That was actually insanely easy to get off, I won't lie. It was just 2 bolts here into the mid pipe, and the impact took them right off just like that. There were 4 hangers, 2 of them I could leave on there. The new 2J Racing goes right on these 2 hangers, and then they give you 2 more for the rear that are adjustable lengths, so you can adjust how high or low you want your tips to hang down. So let's get a little look at this guy here real quick, and then we'll go take it for a drive. It honestly sounds so freaking good. So this is the current setup here with the original little diffuser removed completely. This is what it would look like here, and it actually looks really good. So I got a smoking deal on this exhaust here. So it's almost $1,000 normally. I got it for $450. It is the carbon fiber tips, so it's the carbon fiber casing over the burnt tips. I'll get you a little closer in there so you can see that, and they sound so freaking good. We went to the movies last night and we went and hung out and stuff, and it sounds absolutely amazing. Yeah, here's the ride, guys. Let's hop in here. Let's hop in, let's get the cold start for you, and then we'll go take it around the block and get some sound clips. All right. Go ahead and close the garage so we don't have the washing machine interrupting, and let's get that cold start. So not too loud at all, but super deep. And there's where it starts to level out. Yeah guys, this exhaust sounds really, really good, but it doesn't drone at all, which is so nice. Yeah, once it levels out, nice and quiet. For video's sake, I'm gonna drive around with no AC. That's what I'm willing to do for you guys, all right? Like this video, because I'm driving around with no air conditioner. All right. We'll do a little bit of clips with the windows up, and then we'll do windows down, just so you can hear both. Hello, little kitty. And then once you let off the gas, it gets nice and quiet again. But oh, there's a whole bunch of deer crossing the road over there. But no, it sounds so good. For what it is, the little 2-liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated sounds really good. I'm lucky that I'm on the manual, so I can kind of control my, my gears a little bit more. But I imagine this would sound, equally as good on a automatic. I know I'm gonna get a couple of comments. I don't know if there's any power gains from this or not. I assume there's probably something, maybe half a horsepower or something. I don't know if it's gonna be much at all. If anything, you might get better response. Maybe it's imaginary because it just sounds better and you're a little bit more of a lead foot, but I don't know. It's a Corolla, man. I already know I'm not going for a power build. It never will be a power build. It's my daily driver. It's my miles per gallon, but now it's miles per gallon too. And it just makes it a lot more fun to drive. Now I don't feel embarrassed going to car shows and stuff like that, because at least I have some stuff done to it. But pretty much this and some low, I'll be set. Drive through this random neighborhood. Nice Chrysler. And this is the, like I said, this is the 2J Racing Quad Exit Catback. This is the OEM headers and mid pipe still, so I imagine if you upgrade both of those guys, it'll probably get even deeper, maybe some burbles, because I feel like it's almost there. It almost wants to burble, but not quite yet. So once you open it up a little more, I'm sure it'll start to do that. But I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just driving around. But even now, it sounds really nice. I mean, you can hear it. It's deep. There we go. Once we get over this speed bump. This road is really bad. I want to go faster for you guys, but this road is so bad. Nice little downshift there. Nice little downshift there. No, it seriously makes it so much more fun. It really does. Around the block. Hello, little kitty. And now that I cleaned out the garage, I can park back in there. I only realized it has garage openers like a month ago. I've had the car since September. Ugh. Hopefully you enjoyed that little clip. I can still smell it now that we're getting it hot. It's I don't even know what you call it. Once you get all the metal hot, kind of burns off all the oils and stuff. But here's what it looks like from further back. I don't know, I kind of like it. I'm still debating getting a diffuser for it, because I really do actually kind of like it how it is with it showing like that. But I don't know, we'll see. It really does look nice though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Drink water, be safe, and I will see you in the next video.